So I got a problem. I'm not a tech wizard, and my life as a teacher, I've had to use Zoom quite a bit for my classes. Been recording those classes, one for child safety measures, just so there's a record of me being with the kids. Two, for the kids to go back and see what it is that they missed in class. Let's say they were absent. But as I end a Zoom classroom, sometimes I'll get a message saying, well, it failed to convert. So here I am. I'm stuck. I don't have a record of that. I heard about a workaround. I'm going to try it now. I haven't tried it yet. So it looks like this. This is the window you get after a Zoom meeting is over. It says, hey, double click to convert your file. And of course, nothing happens. I don't have an application here that's going to do the job. So what to do? Here's the workaround that I heard about. So cross your fingers for me. So I'm going to start a new Zoom meeting. Please let this work. I'm going to start a new Zoom meeting and turn on the recorder. We're going to let that play for a little while. The idea here is that we're going to stop the recording after a minute or so, but not end the meeting. Then we're going to go in and see where that pre-converted file is being kept and just switch it out, and then end the meeting and see if it works. So does that make sense? Here, we'll try it right about now. So I'm going to stop the recording. It says that this is going to be converted when the meeting ends. I'm not going to end this meeting. I'm just going to shrink it down. Now I'm going to go find where that is taking place. So if I do a quick finder search for Zoom, roll down until I get this. This is the one right here. I know where. Okay. So I'm going to go to the very end. This is the one that I'm using right now. This one, 522. This is the timestamp. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now this is the part that I'm going to switch out with what I want to convert. So I want to get rid of these. And I'm going to put in these. And now I'm going to go back and end my meeting. Please let this work. End the meeting. Converting the meeting. And hopefully if this works, then what's actually being converted isn't just what we did. It's going to be the class that I had earlier today. This is starting to look good because if it was a short video, it would have zipped right through this. It seems like it's going to take a long time. Well, it's looking good. I mean, we're at 5% now, right? And it's moving really slowly because I'm pretty confident in this because the class was 40 minutes. It's going to take a while to load. So the fact that this is going really slowly, I really hope it works. I think we got it. Okay, so this is good. We're in the meeting that I set up. Yes, this is it. This is the class.
Hey, good morning, Plume.
Yeah! Nice. Life saved. Awesome. I hope this helps you too. You get to recover those Zoom meetings that you thought you lost. We'll call that a win. Happy Friday, everybody.